Welcome to our channel. 100 Canva techniques in 100 days. 1. How to create a stunning Instagram post in 5 minutes. The goal of this tutorial is to teach beginners how to create an eye-catching Instagram post using Canva. Now, open Google, go to canva.com. Click on Create option. Go to Custom Size. Enter width size 1080. Enter height size 1080. Click on Create New Design. Get an interface of Instagram post. Choose a background color. Click on green color. Go to Element. Choose Ice Cream. Drag with mouse, do small. Then choose Falling Green Tea Leaves. Go to Transparency. Keep Transparency 47. Select on an image. Take mouse pointer on curve symbol. Do slightly curve. Duplicate. Go to Text. Select Heading. Write text. Go to Font Style. Choose Gagleen. Select Text. Go to Text Color. Do white. Do font size big with mouse. Click Subheading. Write text. Go to Font Style. Go to Element. Go to Transparency. Drag to small the image with mouse. Do slightly curve. Go to Element. Drag to small the image with mouse. Go to Transparency. Choose Call icon in Element. Do white. Choose Network icon in Element.